The Messenger of Mercy, Prophet Muhammad's, pbuh, Journey of Love and Justice. Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, was a man of immense wisdom and compassion who touched the lives of countless people. In the bustling city of Mecca, he emerged as a beacon of light amidst the darkness of ignorance and injustice. Born into a humble family, Muhammad grew up to be known for his honesty and integrity. His gentle nature and concern for the well-being of others earned him the title of the Trustworthy. As he reached adulthood, Muhammad spent time reflecting in the solitude of the mountains, seeking answers to life's profound questions. During one such occasion, the angel Gabriel appeared before him, revealing that he was chosen by God to be his final messenger. Muhammad began spreading the message of monotheism and social justice, urging people to abandon their vices and embrace virtues. Despite facing immense opposition, he remained steadfast, turning the hearts of even his harshest critics. Through his teachings and example, Muhammad emphasized the importance of kindness, charity, and equality. He treated the poor and marginalized with respect, fostering a sense of community and brotherhood among his followers. As the years passed, Muhammad's influence grew, and he led his followers in establishing a just society based on the principles of compassion and fairness. His leadership guided them through trials and tribulations, transforming them into a united and enlightened community. Prophet Muhammad's unwavering faith, humility, and dedication to serving humanity left an indelible mark on history. His teachings continue to inspire billions of people around the world, reminding them of the power of love, forgiveness, and the pursuit of knowledge. Prophet Muhammad's legacy as the final messenger of God remains a timeless example of righteousness and compassion, illuminating the path for those who seek guidance and seek to make a positive impact in the world.